If you wanted to change the look of your Nintendo Switch, then we have 3 different colours we can choose from. We've got default, which is normal, which is the one you're going to use all the time. We've got invert colours, and we've also got Greyscale, which is black and white. So if you have a look here, this is invert colours, and it really does change the look of the Switch. So right now, this is Mario Kart here, and you can see it looks completely different when it's like this. Right, if we wanted to change it to possibly black and white, we can just go to System Settings, and we can go all the way down to System, and then we would go to where it says change display colours, and at the moment it's on invert colours. If we were to change that to Greyscale, then you will see everything will become black and white, which does look nice in an old-fashioned way. Right, let's go to Mario Kart again just to show you. You can see now that's what it looks like. And then if you want to get it back to normal, all we do is go to default. That's default, and now everything will be back to normal.